When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you.
So today is day 3 of Valentine's week here on my channel, and today's look is inspired by doodles that I would write over my notepads. So I'll start off by prepping my eyes with the MAC paint pot in Painterly, and then I go into the Urban Decay electric palette and use the shade Slow Burn. I put this on the outer corners of my eye, leaving the centre clear. I then fill in that clear section with some white eyeshadow. I then blend over that completely with the brush that I use to apply the pink, and then I add some extra eyeshadow onto the inner corners and outer corners of my eye to replicate what I've done on the lid. So I also add that little bit of white eyeshadow in the centre as well. To make it pop even more, I went back into the Urban Decay electric palette and used the shade Savage. It's really neon pink eyeshadow, and I applied that on the outer section of the eye, and then I kept Slow Burn in the inner section just to add a little bit of more depth and dimension. I then cover my eyebrows in a pink face paint as I'm wearing a light pink wig. And now it is time for the fun bit. So I went into my face paints. I used a red face paint, different pinks, and doodled over my face basically. So I've drawn little hearts, big hearts, hearts that are filled in, outlines of hearts, anything that just came into my mind basically. You can do anything you want at this step if you're doing it at home. I personally did a lot of hearts. I also did some dots and some kisses and some noughts and crosses, as well as some words. So I put love and kiss as well. I then put on some lashes, and these are by Tinker Beauty, and they're in the style 618, but they are also called Lorraine. The lipstick that I used for this tutorial is by Huda Beauty, and it is in the shade Gossip Girl. I really like this look. I thought it was really cute, and it gave me so much nostalgia. It's unbelievable. I used to write all this stuff all over my books, all over anything I could get my hands on when I was at school. I was one of them gals. If you like this video, let me know by pressing the thumbs up button down below. And if you do not want to miss any more Valentine's looks, because I have 8 in total, I'm uploading one every day this week. So if you would like to see them, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and that notification bell. Also, if you're not already, follow me on Instagram. I'm uploading photos of all of my looks, and yeah, if you want to see them a bit more close up or in better angles, I guess, make sure you're following me on there. It's at brooke.ellis_, and it will be linked in the description, as well as all the products that I've used in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye.